In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wix website link. To get started, log into Wix and select the site you want to share from your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you manage the design and content of your website. And it's also the place where you can make sure everything is ready before sharing your link with others. Before you send your website to anyone, it's important to confirm that your site has been published. If your site is not published, other people may not be able to view the latest version, or they may not be able to access it at all. In the Wix editor, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. This makes your website live and available to the public. If you've recently made any changes, publishing ensures those updates are included in the version people will see. After your site is published, the next step is to click Preview Site. This allows you to open the live version of your website and check how it appears to visitors. It's a good idea to take a quick look around the page at this stage, just to make sure everything loads properly and looks the way you expect. Previewing helps you confirm that you are about to share the correct version of the site. Once the page loads, go to your browser's address bar and copy the exact URL shown there. This is your website link, and it's the link you will share with other people so they can visit your site directly. Be sure to copy the full address exactly as it appears, since even a small mistake in the link can prevent someone from reaching your website. Now that you have the link copied, you can paste it wherever you want to share it. For example, you can send it through email, messaging apps, or post it on social media. This makes it easy for clients, friends, customers, or followers to open your site with just one click. If you update your site later, remember to publish again so the newest changes are reflected when people use the same link. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.